You've probably heard about the 34-hour reset that can seem like a real head-scratcher. But don't worry, we're going to break it down nice and easy. Now, if you've been on the road long enough, you know that managing driving hours can be a bit like playing Tetris. You've got to fit everything in just right to avoid the dreaded 34-hour reset. It's kind of like when you're on a long road trip, but there's a roadblock, and suddenly your plans are up in the air. So, what exactly is the 34-hour reset? It's a break period that truckers use to reset their weekly driving limits. While this can be helpful, it sometimes feels more like a roadblock than a rest stop, especially if you've got deliveries lined up and deadlines to meet. One of the best ways to sidestep that reset is by planning ahead. Think of it like planning a road trip. You wouldn't hit the road without a map, would you? The same goes for your driving schedule. Look ahead, see where you can save time, and make sure you're not overdoing your hours early in the week. Here's another key thing to keep in mind. Know your limits and track them daily. Many drivers wait until the end of the week to check their hours, but by then, it's too late to adjust. Keeping a daily eye on your driving and on-duty time helps you catch potential overages early and gives you the flexibility to plan smarter. Imagine having a buddy who's an expert in this kind of planning. Guess what? Moving Authority is just that friend. We can help you navigate these complex rules without the headache. Check us out at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Another tip is to make the most out of your breaks. It's like when you're grabbing a quick snack on a road trip. Make sure it counts. Use smaller breaks strategically so you're always refreshed and within your driving limits without needing that 34-hour pause. Also, communication is key. If you're part of a team or a company, chat with them about your schedule. Kind of like when you're deciding who takes the first shift behind the wheel. Everyone needs to be on the same page to keep things running smoothly. And let's not forget about technology. There are plenty of apps that can help keep track of hours. It's like having a GPS for your driving time, making sure you never miss a beat. So there you have it, the basics of a 34-hour reset avoidance strategy without the headache. It's all about planning, smart breaks, good communication, and using the tools at your disposal. Remember, you've got a partner in Moving Authority to help steer you in the right direction. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments how you avoid the 34-hour reset. Drive safe and see you on the road.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.